2010 Coachman Chaparral 266 VH. Large awning, aluminum wheels, good tires. Does have a ladder on the back of the unit. One slide out. Access to your bunkhouse underneath for storage. Inside you have a large U-shaped dinette. Great kitchen with lots of cabinet space. Double bowl sink. Microwave, vent hood, 3-burner cooktop oven. Nice big 10 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. Single bunk on the top, double bunk on the bottom. Bathroom with a skylight, of course toilet, a sink and vanity with some cabinet space and a medicine cabinet and a power vent fan. Spot for your TV, and it also rotates so you can turn it around for the master bedroom when you're in there. Couple 3 steps up to the bedroom, wardrobe cabinets, skylight, queen size bed. Come see us at Dalton RV in Dalton, Georgia, 706-529-3300.